Next topic is nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. See, in last example, I have taken this example, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. I have taken this example. You can do factorization or direct by using formula minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac, root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. With help of this formula, we found out the roots of the alpha 3 by 2 and also beta you got 1. What is the nature of the roots? 3 by 2 and 1. What is the nature? They are real numbers. Alpha beta. Alpha beta means roots. Roots are alpha beta are real numbers. They are real numbers and unequal. You can find out. By finding the discriminant of the quadratic equation, we can find out the nature of the roots. No need to do all these things. Because what is the discriminant here? B square minus 4ac. You see, directly we will find out the nature of the roots by using discriminant. That is b square minus 4ac. What is b here? Minus 5 whole square minus 4 into what is a here? 2. What is c here? 3. Minus 5 square means 25. Minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. How much you got? 1. 1 is greater than 0. This is positive. Then we can say roots are real and unequal. No need to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Directly you can find the discriminant, that is for b square minus 4ac. You can find out the nature of the roots. If this is 1 is greater than 0, means b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. This is 1, 2. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, if b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant, is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. I will take one example so that you can understand afterwards. 3. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, if this b square minus 4a, if it is equal to 0, then the roots are real numbers and they are equal to each other. Then roots are imaginary numbers. If b square minus 4 is less than 0, the roots are imaginary numbers. Now, nature of roots of quadratic equation, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers. You should remember this table. If you understand this table, this chapter is very easy to understand and draw the graphs also. The graph of quadratic equation touches x-axis at most 2 zeros. It may have 2 zeros, 1 0. It may not have even 1 0. It does not touch x-axis at any way. This x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0 is not touching x-axis at any way. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, you will get a positive value. A is, here you see a is 1, b is minus 5, c is 6. You find b square minus 4ac. If it is greater than 0, if you get a positive value then the roots are real and unequal. You will get two roots. They are real numbers. 2, 3 are real numbers. They are unequal to each other. You can understand the graph. Graph of quadratic equation cuts x-axis at two distinct points. It will have two roots. That's why it is touching x-axis at 2 points, 2, 0 and 3, 0. For this one, I have two examples. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. If you find b square minus 4ac, 25 minus 24 means b square means minus 5 square means 25 minus 4 into a into c, 4 into 1 into 6. You will get 24. 25 minus 24, 1. 1 is a positive value, it is greater than 0. Then the roots touching x-axis at 2 points. What are the roots of this quadratic equation? 2 and 3. It will touch x-axis at 2, 0 and 3, 0. X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Another example I have taken. The roots are minus 2 and minus 3. You will get minus 2, minus 3. B square minus 4ac. Anyway, you will get greater positive value that is greater than 0. Then it will cut x-axis at minus 2, 0 and minus 3, 0. Next, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, sometimes you will get b square discriminant, you will get 0. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then the roots are real and equal. Roots, if b square minus 4 is equal to 0, then the roots are real and they are real numbers and equal to each other. Graph of quadratic equation cuts x-axis at only one point. You check. I have taken one example. X square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac. What is b here? Minus 4. Minus 4 means minus 4 square. Minus 4 square you will get 16. Minus 4 into, what is a here? 1. C is 4. You will get 4ac 16. 16 minus 16 you are getting 0. Then the roots are equal to each other. You will have only one root, that is it is touching x-axis at 2, 0. I have taken another example. It is minus 4x. Here it is plus 4x. You find b square minus 4ac. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. It cuts x-axis at only one point, that is minus 2, 0. Because it can be written as x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square means x plus 2 into x plus 2. You will get the roots. You will get the roots minus 2 and minus 2. It touches x-axis at only one point. Roots are 2. They are equal to each other. Next, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, means you will get minus 1, minus 2, minus 300. If that is a negative value, if b square minus 4 is less than 0, roots are imaginary numbers. There are no roots for this one quadratic equation. Graph of the quadratic equation does not cut x-axis at any way. No roots. I have taken one example. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. You find b square minus 4ac. b is minus 1 here. Minus 1 square means 1. Minus 4ac. 4 into a is 1. C is 1. You will get minus 4. You will get minus 3. Minus 3 is a negative value. It is less than 0. It does not cut x-axis at any way because it doesn't have roots. Similarly, I have taken x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 and b square minus 4ac, you will get negative value, that is minus 3. It is less than 0. It is not cutting x-axis at any way. I have already told you the nature of the roots in a table. I will take one example. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 and find the nature of the roots and draw the graph. Whether our example, whether it is true or false, we will check by graph. First, I will find the nature of the roots. First example, this x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This example I will take. I will find the discriminant. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac. What is b here? Minus 5 whole square minus 4 into, what is a here? A is 1. What is c? 6. Minus 5 square means 25 minus 4, 6 4s are 24. We got 1. 25 minus 24, 1. 1 is greater than 0. Roots are, we can find out, it is greater than 0 means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Discriminant is greater than 0. Then what is the nature of the roots? Nature of the roots are real and unequal. Roots are real, real numbers. Real means real numbers, and unequal to each other. What is the graph of the, what is the nature of the roots? They are real numbers and also they are unequal to each other. The graph may be like this or like this. It will touch x-axis at 2 points because we have x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. We have two roots, they are real numbers, they are unequal to each other. The graph will be like this. Let us check now. Verification. See, we will find out the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. And we can find out the nature of the roots, whether they are real numbers and unequal to each other. Let us see by finding the roots, and we will draw the graph, whether the graph touches x-axis at 2 points or not. But you take this one, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. We will find out the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 by factorization, or by, I will take the formula minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. We will find out the roots alpha and beta. What is b here? Minus. What is b here? Minus 5 plus or minus root of b square. B means minus 5. Minus 5 square means directly I can write, but 4a. What is a here? 1. What is c here? 6 by 2a. What is a here? A is 1, you know. We can find out minus into minus plus 5 plus or minus 25 minus 24. Minus 5 square means 25. 25 minus 24 means plus or minus 1 by 2. We can write 5 plus 1 by 2 means 6 by 2 means 3. And what is another root? 5 minus 1 means 5 minus 1 by 2. 4 by 2 means 2. We got two roots. They are real numbers and unequal to each other. As roots are real numbers, it will touch x-axis. You see 1 2 3 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 1 2 3, minus 1 minus 2. This is origin. It will touch the graph of x square minus 5x plus 6 touches x-axis at 2 points 2 0 and 3 0. The graph will be like this. I am drawing rough graph. We will check whether our graph is true or false. We will check. We will prepare a table and draw the graph x, and this is, you take y, you take x square, you take x square plus y minus 5x, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to y. You take, we can draw the graph by taking 0 1 2, and I will take 3 also. See 0 you substitute, 0 minus 0 plus 6, 0 6, and substitute 1 here. 1 square minus 5. 1 square minus 5 plus 6 means you will get 6 plus 1 7. 7 minus 5 2. If you take 1 in place of x, if you take 1, you will get y as 2. You take 2, if you substitute 2 here, you will automatically get 0 because it cuts x-axis at 2 0. If you take x in place of x, if you take 2, automatically you will get 0. Now anyway we will substitute 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6 is equal to y. 2 square means 4, 5 twos are 10, plus 6 is equal to y. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 10, 0. Y you take 0. Similarly, if you take 3, you will get 3 square, you see. 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. Definitely you will get 9 minus 15 plus 6 is equal to y. Definitely you will get 0 because it is touching x-axis at 3, 0. And 9 plus 6, 15. 15 minus 15, 0. Y is equal to 0. 2 0 and 3 0. You take minus 1. Minus 1 means minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 6 is equal to y. Minus 1 square means 1. Minus 2 minus plus 5 plus 6 is equal to y. Y you got 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Y is equal to 12. If you take minus 1, y you got 12. Like this. You take ordered pairs. What are the ordered pairs? Solution set. What is the solution set? Prepare ordered pairs. What is the solution set? Minus 1, 12 and 0, 6 and 1, 2, 2, 0 and 3, 0 you got. With the help of solution set, we will draw the graph. You see, minus 1, 12. Minus 1, 12 may be here roughly. 0, 6. 0, 6 will be here. And 1, 2. 1, 2 will be here. This is 1, 2. And 2, 0. 2, 0 will be here. And you take 2, 0. And 3, 0 will be here. 3, 0 will be here. And like this you can take 4 also. Like this the graph will be, it is a parabola. Here you have to take u shape like this, and the graph of this parabola, graph of this x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. The graph touches x-axis. Graph of parabola, the parabola touching x-axis at 2, 0 and 3, 0. Therefore, roots are real and real numbers and unequal to each other. Unequal. Like that, you can prove. I will take another example. I will find out the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation and we will verify whether our answer is true or false. I am taking this one. You find discriminant. Sometimes discriminant is denoted by delta. Also, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b here? Minus 4 whole square. 4 into what is a here? A is 1. What is c here? 4. Minus 4 square means 16. 16 minus 4 4 is a 16. 16 minus 16 you got 0. You got if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Roots are real numbers. Roots are real and equal to each other. If b square minus 4 is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. Now, if b square minus 4 is equal to 0, then the roots are real numbers and they are real numbers and equal to each other. Graph will be like this, or it will touch x-axis at only one point, here or here. We will verify our answer is true or false. Verification. What is the x square minus plus 4 is equal to 0? What is the quadratic equation? X square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. It can be written as x minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. If you want, you can check here. X minus 2 whole square is equal to a square means x square minus 2 into what is a here? X. What is b? 2 plus b square. X square minus 2ab plus b square. You will get x square minus 4x plus 4 you will get. That's why this equation can be written as x minus 2 whole square. This can be written as x minus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 2. One root you take, or alpha, anyone you can take. To x minus 2 is equal to 0, you will get x is equal to 2, implies this is x2, it can be written as 2, this is beta. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real numbers and equal to each other. Alpha is equal to beta. Roots are real numbers and equal. Means graph will be like this, like it will touch x-axis at only one point, like this or like this. It will touch x-axis here or here. See, x minus 2 whole square is equal to y you take, like this you take. It is easy for you. See, you substitute 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square means 1 only. You take 2 minus 2 0 whole square means 0 only. If you take 2, you are getting 0 because it is touching x-axis at 2 0 here. Next, you take 3 1 minus 3 minus 2, sorry, 3 minus 2 whole square. 3 minus 2 means 1 square means 1 only. If you take 3, you will get 1. You take minus 1. Instead of x, you take minus 1. Minus of minus 1 minus 2. Minus 3 square means you will get 9. See, minus 1 minus 2. Minus 3 square means 9. What is the value of y? 9. You, with the help of solution set, what is it? Solution set minus 1 9 1 1 2 0 and 3 1. With the help of solution set, we will draw the graph. It is touching x-axis at 2 0. We will draw the graph. I am taking the rough graph. We will draw the graph. Minus 1 9 minus 1 9 will be here somewhere. 1 1, where is 1 1? 1 1 will be here. 2 0 will be here. 3 1 will be here. Draw the graph. It is cutting x-axis at only one point, that is 2 0, because it will have only one root. Roots are equal to each other. It is touching x-axis at only 1.20. The roots are equal to each other. By finding the nature of the roots, directly you can find out whether the roots are equal or not. Directly you can find nature of the roots. Roots are real numbers and equal to each other. Directly you can find roots. With simple finding the discriminant, you can find out the nature of the roots. Example, I will take x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you find b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac, you find the discriminant. What is b here? Minus 1 whole square. Minus 4 into a is 1, c is 1. Minus 1 square means 1. 1 minus 4, you are getting minus 3 is less than 0. Then the roots are imaginary numbers. Roots are imaginary numbers. The graph will be like this. It does not touch x-axis at anywhere, like this or like this. Like this, you can find out the nature of the roots by finding the discriminant. No need to do drawing the graph and finding the roots of the quadratic equation.